So just, be careful. Read the book. You'll understand what I mean. But, like I said, mentorship can be valuable early on in your career. I can see why you would want that early on in your career. I value that a little bit less. I kind of sort of know what I'm doing. So I look for different things, but that's what I look for. A good leader will always appreciate you for being able to give that pushback, right? And to say, yeah, like, I'm on board with 90% of what you said, but here's the 10% where maybe we need to slow down a bit, right? A good leader is going to love you for that. I try to encourage that in my teams, right? Where I'm, and I write this in my book, if you guys are interested, first year in data science, I write this about how you should always be willing to say, I understand there's other perspectives. I'm open to being wrong. I'm open for debate on this, right? Like a good leader will always be open for debate, and they're always open to being shown that they're wrong. And a good scientist should be the same way too, right? If you're being dogmatic and saying, oh, this is the way this has to be, you're not being a good scientist or a good leader, right? So that's just my take on it. But still, good discussion, right? See, this is great discussion. That's why I don't like to give my answers at the beginning, because I don't want to bias it, right? But good discussion, guys. This is fantastic. All right, so I'm glad, I hope I gave you guys some different things to think about. I'm glad we did this because, we can't talk about data science every single day, right? We got to mix things up. And as I said before, most of us are going to end up working in some sort of corporate environment as a data scientist, right? You're probably not going to go work for a small company, right? You're going to go work for a bigger company usually, right? So these dynamics are important to understand, right? So I'm glad we did this. You guys gave wonderful feedback. It's always good for us to sit and hear other people out, right? What's important to you? Oh yeah, that's important to me too, but I see it this way, right? So this is all very healthy stuff, in a Mr. Miyagi type of way. We're still learning about data science, right? About how to develop our scientific mind, right? So I hope you guys found that beneficial. Patrick says everyone should get your first data science phenomenal. Oh, thank you so much, Patrick. I really appreciate that. Joseph says, just got the book 2 days ago. Thank you so much. And if you guys want to leave an honest review on Amazon, I appreciate that. It helps. I got my first reviews. I'm a 5-star on Amazon right now, so I'm really happy about that. So if you guys can do the same, I appreciate that. Rex says it was really insightful going over the support. Love it. Well, great, Rex. I'm glad you found it helpful. I'm trying to bring you guys a variety of content that's still obviously data science oriented. Sunday, we are back to our class. I finished the materials this morning. It's going to be an interesting class. So Sunday, 1500 GMT, if you want to join us for the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. We're having a good time with that. We're at the halfway point. This Sunday's our halfway point, so I'm really excited. It's going really well. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. I apologize. It looks like there might have been some chat issues or whatnot. So sorry about that, but I think we still had good discussion. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your friends and family around you. And I'll see you next time.